So in this video, we are going to unbox this broadband amplifier. So if you are thinking it's a Wi-Fi adapter, no, it's not a Wi-Fi adapter, but we are going to use it with this adapter, this Alfa adapter. So it's a signal booster which we can use it with different adapters. We are going to use it with this adapter, Alfa adapter. So let me just unbox this and show you what are the things in this box, and then we will use this adapter. So this is our main amplifier which we are going to use, and we have also got this antenna, this 6 dBi antenna. Let's just keep it over here and let me show you. So over here you can see, let me just focus. Over here you can see we have to connect antenna over here on this point, and then we have to connect our adapter over here. So we have also got this 8-volt power supply with it. So it's a 8-volt amplifier, and we have also have this SMA connector. So we have to connect this adapter over here with this female point, and then we have to connect our Alfa adapter. Let me just remove this antenna, and we have to connect our Alfa adapter with this point, and then we can connect our antenna over here, 6 dBi antenna. Sorry, 6 dBi antenna will be connected over here. So this is our signal booster. So we will see that in our coming video how we can use it with this Alfa adapter. Thank you.